Blutbad.
Hello and welcome back to another behind-the-scenes toy photography video. Today I'm going to show you how I created this photo, which I've entitled A Day at the Beach. I'll also show you how I touched it up in Photoshop. Before we get started, please consider hitting that subscribe button so you never miss out on any of my weekly behind-the-scenes videos. For this photo, I used Star Wars The Black Series figures by Hasbro. We've got Din Djarin and Grogu. I started my setup by dumping a bunch of sand on my ground surface and then positioning this lovely piece of driftwood that I borrowed from my mother-in-law specifically for this photo. Next, I posed and placed my toys. I was originally going to have Grogu making a sandcastle, but I couldn't figure out how to make one that small, so I have him playing with his food instead. After the figures were placed, I added a knitted dishcloth as a tarp. I imagine Mando gets pretty hot in that armor, so he'd need some shade to relax in. Lastly, I adjusted my lighting and turned on my background TV. Editing this photo was pretty straightforward. It was mostly a matter of getting my adjustment layers to look the way I wanted. As usual, I'm using the levels, hue and saturation, and color balance adjustments. I also did a bit of cropping and added a partial vignette around the bottom of the frame. The final step was using the spot healing brush and content aware fill to remove the articulation joints on Mando. And here's the final image. Where we started, and where we ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Until next time.